What are the most reliable, long-lasting engines that you can buy? That's what we're going to find out. Welcome to Car Help Corner, where we help you, the consumer, master the process of car buying and car ownership. I'm going to share the most reliable, bulletproof, longest-lasting engines made today that you can find in new 2024 or 2025 model year vehicles. Most of these engines have been in production for over a decade now, and with just basic maintenance, can easily run for 200,000 to 300,000 miles or 500,000 kilometers without having any major issues. Let's get right into it, starting with the first engine, which is the Subaru FB20D and FB25D 4-cylinder boxer engines. Mechanically, both of these engines are more or less identical. The FB20D is a naturally aspirated 2-liter boxer engine found in the Impreza and Crosstrek. The FB25D is a larger displacement 2.5-liter engine that's available on the Crosstrek and standard on the Forester and Outback. These are both extremely durable, well-made engines that can easily rack up major mileage with just basic maintenance. Mechanical failures are very rare, and the oil consumption and head gasket problems that used to be an issue with Subaru are no longer a concern. These are direct injected engines, which means that carbon buildup could potentially be an issue in the long run, but it is by no means a major problem. For the most part, buy any Subaru with either of these engines and you are good to go. The next engines on the list, which I'm also giving a tie, are Mazda's 2-liter and 2.5-liter Skyactiv G 4-cylinder engines. Again, mechanically identical engines, the 2-liter engine is now primarily used in the Mazda MX-5, whereas the larger displacement 2.5-liter engine is now widely used across the Mazda lineup, from the Mazda 3 all the way up to the CX-90. These are both naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engines with direct injection, which Mazda has been producing for over a decade. Mechanical issues with these engines are very rare, and they seem to be able to handle very high mileage with just basic maintenance. The 2.5-liter engine does come in a turbocharged version for those who want to have more power. But this variant does have some reported issues on some model years with oil consumption, so sticking with the naturally aspirated version is the safer way to go. Buy any Mazda vehicle with these engines and you are golden. The next engine is the first V6 engine on the list, and that is Honda's J35 3.5-liter V6 engine. Honda offers two variants of this 6-cylinder engine, a single overhead cam and dual overhead cam version, both found in Honda's larger SUVs, the Ridgeline truck and the Odyssey minivan. This is a naturally aspirated engine with direct injection, which Honda has been producing for ages. It's not perfect. A batch of these engines were recalled for bearing issues at one point, and it is a timing belt engine, which means that an expensive timing belt replacement will be required every 100,000 miles or 160,000 kilometers. Despite these concerns though, these engines have a very good track record for reliability. Owners are often able to rack up enormous mileage with just basic maintenance and not experience any major issues. If you are looking for a larger sized SUV or minivan, a naturally aspirated 6-cylinder engine is still the best way to go, and Honda is now the go-to option in that department. Another great option for a 6-cylinder engine is Lexus and Toyota's 3.5-liter V6 2GR FKS engine. This is a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6, but unlike Honda's V6, this engine does have both direct and port fuel injection, so carbon buildup is not a long-term concern, and it is a timing chain engine, which helps reduce long-term repair or maintenance items. Overall, this is a very solid, well-designed engine that can easily handle very high mileage and abuse with ease. It's extremely reliable and quite a shame because Toyota has begun to phase out this engine across its lineup. For 2025, you can now basically only find this engine on a few Lexus models, including the ES350, the IS sedan, and hybrid versions of the TX and LS. So what that means is that if you want a super reliable luxury vehicle, Lexus is the way to go. Next up on the list, we have the first hybrid engine, which is the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine found in Honda's two-motor hybrid system. Honda's hybrid engine is available on the CR-V, the Accord, and the Civic. It uses a naturally aspirated 2-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine with direct injection, which combines with 2 electric motors to deliver excellent fuel economy and performance. This is a very reliable hybrid system which Honda has now been producing for over a decade, and problems with it are considered extremely rare. Honda is definitely an expert on hybrid technology, so if you want a fuel-efficient hybrid that's also extremely reliable, this is a great option. The leader when it comes to hybrids, however, is Toyota, which is why the next engine on the list is Toyota's two-motor hybrid system. When it comes to hybrids, no automaker has more experience than Toyota. They are the leader of hybrid technology and make some of the best ones available. Although there are now a few different variants, Toyota's original hybrid system remains their very best. This is a two-motor hybrid design, which uses an eCVT planetary gear type transmission, which combines with a naturally aspirated Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine. It uses a 1.8-liter and 2-liter engine on the Corolla and the Prius, and a larger 2.5-liter engine on the Camry, the RAV4, and a few other models. Even Mazda has begun offering this exact same hybrid system on the Mazda CX-50. Like Honda's hybrid system, this is a very straightforward, low service setup that just requires simple maintenance, and it will easily run for 200,000 to 300,000 miles without having any major issues. There is a good reason why these Toyota hybrids are the go-to choice for many taxis. They run forever and tolerate major abuse with ease. Of course, you can also get the same amazing reliability in the non-hybrid versions of these exact same engines, which is why the next engines on the list are Toyota's 2-liter and 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engines. These are known as Toyota's dynamic force engines. Both are naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engines with both direct and port fuel injection. The 2-liter engine is used on the Corolla and Corolla Cross, whereas the 2.5-liter engine can be found in the RAV4 and some Lexus models. Toyota has been producing these engines for several years now, and they are very well sorted. Both are extremely reliable, and repair issues with either one are very rare. But there is one other 4-cylinder engine that you can buy that's arguably even more reliable, solid, and robust, and that is Honda's 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, otherwise known as the K20C2. This engine can be found in the Civic and HR-V. It is a naturally aspirated engine with traditional port fuel injection, so there are not only no turbo concerns, but no carbon buildup concerns either. It is just a simple, straightforward engine design that is built to last. This engine is absolutely legendary for its ability to go extremely high mileage with just basic maintenance, and sometimes with even less than great maintenance. In terms of basic Honda reliability, this really represents classic Honda at its very best. There's just nothing you can really fault this engine with. It is a real gem. Now, I'm going to have a few honorable mentions to share in just a moment, but before I do, there is one more engine I have to share, which is arguably the most reliable engine that you can buy in a brand new vehicle in 2024. Arguably able to go 300, 400, maybe even 500,000 miles without having any major issues. And that engine, of course, is Toyota's 4-liter V6, otherwise known as the 1GR FE. Used in the 5th generation Toyota 4Runner, Toyota's 4-liter V6 is an absolutely legendary engine, arguably the most robust, overbuilt, time-tested engine available in a regular everyday vehicle. There are just no stories with this engine. It has been in production so long that every possible concern has now been sorted ages ago. It's also a shame because this engine is going out of production and will no longer be available after 2024. So, if you want to get the last and very best, get one while you still can. Now, as mentioned, there are other engines in production today that are fairly well known for their solid reliability. These include Nissan's 3.5-liter and 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6 engines, used on their larger SUVs and the Frontier truck. There's also Ford's 5-liter naturally aspirated V8 used in the F-150, and of course there's the 5-liter V8 engine used in the Lexus LC500. We also have Mitsubishi's 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine used on the Outlander plug-in hybrid, and to a certain degree, even BMW's B58 inline 6-cylinder engine, which is also fairly robust and reliable. There are engines out there that have fairly well-proven track records, but if you want to play it on the safe side, going with one of the engines on this list is the safest way to go. So let me know what you thought of this video. Are there any engines that I might have missed? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. You can also take a look at my other videos by clicking these links over here. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. And if you need any additional car buying advice, recommendations, or help with getting a great deal on your next new car purchase, make sure to visit carhelpcan.com. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.